Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this project, we are going to learn a really cool stuff. Yes friend, we are going to design this kind of designs. Are you excited? Well, I am really excited to share this class with you. So, let's begin. First of all, let's come here, select the ellipse tool and let's create an ellipse like this, which will have a small width but rather big height. If you are wondering what size is this, it's like this. Width is around say 30 pixel and height say 270 pixel. Okay, now let's provide a fill and no stroke. That's it. So using only this shape, we are going to design these kind of stuffs. That's interesting, isn't it? Well, let's see. First of all, let's select this anchor point tool and come to this lower anchor point and make it an anchor point, just like this. And now I'm thinking to reduce its size a little bit. Now select the object, go to the effect menu, distort and transform, click on transform, and we are going to rotate it. But first of all, let's hit the preview option. Let's make say, well, first of all, let's change the angle to say 15 degree. Let's make few copies of this, but yeah, we want the key point to be the bottom one. This is the one. So let's increase the number of copies. That's cool, right? Now let's click on OK. And now again go to effect, distort and transform, pucker and bloat, hit the preview option and let's play around with it. See, that's cool, right? Now let's click on OK. It's around 97%. You can play around with it. Yes friend, it's not kind of a definite percent. It's kind of you can say individual choice to create these kind of patterns or designs, you can say. Now again let's go to effect, distort and transform, zigzag. Yes, let's hit the preview option and see. Now let's play around with the size, regions per segment, and see. Amazing, isn't it? Remember, regions per segment 13 and size 17 pixels. So we will come back to it, but before that we will experiment some other options. So let's increase the size. Yep, let's make it around 26 pixel and say regions per segment. Complex designs, right? Yep, okay. And it was 13, I guess, right? 13 or 16. Yep, okay, I think it was 13 only. And here is the option for smooth or corner. Let's make it smooth and see. Okay, so let's click on OK for now and let's keep it here. You can even expand this object's appearance. There you go. Now you can make its color something else. Ooh, amazing, right? Okay, now again we will create another. So what was the procedure? First of all, let's create an ellipse of very thin width but comparatively larger height, just like this. Let's change its color to something else like this. Yeah. And we are selecting the anchor point tool, and we are making the lower anchor point an anchor point. I mean, it was a curvy point. We are making it an anchor point. Okay. And again, we are going to effect, distort and transform. So the first one is transform, second one pucker and bloat, third one zigzag. These are the three steps. The first one is transform. We are rotating it, and our key point is this one. This time we will rotate it, say 20 degree. Let's hit the preview option. Let's increase the number of copies. Okay. You can even play around with some other options also and see. Okay. Now when you are done, click on OK. And again, let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat. Check the preview option and see. And see this one. Minus 53%. This is also an interesting shape, right? I mean, some interesting design, you can say. Okay, let's make it like this. And now we will experiment with zigzag. Let's hit the preview option and see. How is this looking? Size, you can increase its size. You can play around with the ridges. Very complex shape, right? Yup, see, just like this. Now let's click on OK. So what do you think? How is this looking? Let me expand it. And let's place it here. This one also, let's reduce its size and let's place it here. So like this, you can create really interesting shapes. Just you need to play around with it and you will get amazing results. Yes, friend. See, these kind of designs. Let's make it red or something else. Say green. Cool mandala, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. Here in this project we have seen that how these combining transform effects or combining these effects can create really awesome results. So the first one, transform, next pucker and bloat, and next zigzag. Yes, friend. So just combine these three stuffs and start creating awesome designs. Okay, friend. So that's it. And let me tell you another thing, that in additional project also, we are going to create a really wonderful flower using these three steps only. And okay, that time we will see. So that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this project. See you in the next project. Till then, have fun, take care.